Hi, it's Nick again from Digital Yacht with an update on iPad and iPhone and iTouch type navigation products. There's no doubt about it, the iPhone and iPad have become one of the best-selling consumer products in history, and it's not hard to see why when you can have a 10-inch colour chart plotter available on a beautiful iPad display. Now, Digital Yacht make a couple of products that really enhance navigation on these devices. As you're probably aware, you can buy an iPad either with or without a GPS built in. Applications like the Navionics charting app can only use the internal GPS that's available on the iPad, which means if you're down below, it may well not pick up a GPS fix. Digital Yacht have got a couple of solutions and a couple of other apps that can really transform your iPad and turn it into a proper valuable navigation device. First off is our WLN10, a NMEA to Wi-Fi server. What this does is take onboard GPS data or even instrument data and convert it into a wireless feed that's suitable for use with the iPad. Effectively what it does is create a local hotspot on your boat. No connection to the internet is required, but it creates a local hotspot on your boat that you can point your iPad to and then gather all the information that's available from your boat. It also means that the app that's being utilised on the iPad or iPhone isn't reliant on the internal GPS. It can use the GPS that's on board your boat, probably a much better quality and more stable type GPS for maritime applications. Now, the app that we'd specifically recommend for use with the WLN10 is a product called iNavX. It too utilises Navionics charts, but you have to purchase the charts separately from a company called Extraverse. You can't use the Navionics charts you may have already bought. So our advice to anybody, if you're about to set off and buy a Navionics app, is to hold fire and get hold of the iNavX application, which is made by a third-party developer, but we've tested it and found it excellent. The second product we've got, which is also interesting for iPad and iPhone enthusiasts, is our iAIS. This has all the features of the WLN10, which we've just talked about, but it also incorporates a AIS receiver. And what it does is it combines the AIS data that it picks up together with your boat's NMEA information and makes it all available over Wi-Fi for the iPad, iPhone or iTouch. So it incorporates a multiplexer, an AIS receiver and a Wi-Fi hotspot all in one box. This actually won the Dharma Electronics Category Award in 2011. The judges were really impressed with its performance and also in the concept of turning an iPhone or iPad into a full function navigation device. So that's two great products from Digital Yacht that really do transform your iPad or iPhone into a proper navigation device. So this is the popular Navionics app, which you can zoom in and zoom out on just as you would do with any other normal chart plotter. But one of the limitations of the Navionics chart plotting software is that it can only utilise the internal GPS that's built into the iPad. Possibly a much better application is iNavX. It uses the same popular Navionics charting that we all like, but it has the advantage that you can utilise any of our WLN10 products or the iAIS product to introduce external data and then bring up that data onto the system as you would want to there. So you get a display of your boat's lat long, course, speed. You can even have a graphic steering type screen if you want to, giving you wind, heading, cross-track error type information. So a much more powerful and functional application.